All right, everybody, welcome to the brand new video about me bringing my car home. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you watching it, and stay tuned for this short story of me finally getting my car to the new house. It's been at Anna's dad's for since October, since I broke it, which I'll show you later in the video how I broke it, and I'll explain the story. It's a short story. Sorry about the jackhammer in the background. They've been going on for like 10 minutes and they won't stop. Okay, onward to Anna's dad's house. Okay, we're here at Anna's dad's garage.
It lives.
Yes, it lives, it moves. Here's what's broken on my car. Let me take off this Joby. All right. That I bottomed out in construction and it broke. This side, it ripped the bolt out. The other side ripped the bracket off. I'll show you the other side. Okay, here is the other side. See how that broke? So I'm probably gonna have to cut that off. Aftermarket torque arm is coming off, putting the factory torque arm on because I'm cheap. Okay, we're back. So I showed you these brackets that are bent, but I did not notice this till now. My drive shaft safety loop is rubbing the drive shaft. See that right there? See that spot where it's shiny? So I can't spin my drive shaft by hand. I can't spin it by hand. And I'm trying to take the drive shaft off, but it won't spin. So I can't get to all the bolts. So I gotta figure out another way to try and get this drive shaft to spin. So I need to get the bracket away from the drive shaft. Here's a better angle of the problem. So yeah, don't bottom out with a torque arm like this, then you just got problems. And I'm kind of stuck right now trying to figure out how to get this thing off because I can't loosen the drive shaft bolts. So hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're still here, still trying to figure this out. Yep, doing what you just did for me. Okay, we're back. We're back. It's off the drive shaft. I just had to unbolt it. So now it's hanging free. And now I can take off the drive shaft. Oh! Whoever put these in must be really strong. Alright, you can hop out.
What's the word?
What's the word? How is that jiggling? Oh!
Isn't that the thing that Lincoln broke?
No. Oh, he broke the flange.
On there, right?
All right, so my friend in Canada thinks I should buy a new drive shaft. I don't know. Let's get it in the better light. It kind of looks just like a flesh wound. You know, I'm not making 1,000 horse. It's not really, you know, it's not like deep. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna let it fly. Oh, it's got 2 marks. What's that? You guys see that? Huh. Okay. Here is the bracket that bottomed out. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's bent to shit. Oh, it's cracked. It's also cracked. And that was rubbing the drive shaft. So this was the problem. Oh, here's another crack. Yeah. Never running a tunnel mount torque arm with a drive shaft safety loop ever again. It's a street car. lowered. It's unnecessary. So, time to put the factory torque arm on, because that's what I could afford at the moment. I mean, I could probably buy an aftermarket torque arm right now, but I don't want to spend the money. You ready? You're on camera.
Why?
Because now we're gonna go actually get the Trans Am put back together and drive home. And he's taking me in the Rari, the Dodge Rari. All right. And we're here to put the drive shaft on and then get the car home. So maybe I'll just see you at home in the car. Home sweet home. All right, it's probably gonna sit outside for at least a couple days because I've got some stuff I have to move around. So, in its glory, it's at the new house, finally. It's very dirty. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. Can you tell? It's very dirty. Looks pretty good in this light though, right? Sweet. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I should spin around with the light on me like this. And then work is to happen next. But Corey McNulty's got a party car meet ordeal that I might record. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna end the video here because there's nothing else to do but go in and shower and eat some food and give Anna some attention because I've been busy all day. All right, peace out. Thanks for watching.